Hello crafty friends and welcome to my channel. I'm Adrienne Bosey of Alice Scraps Wonderland. It's release day at Prima Marketing and today is all about the gorgeous Postcards from Paradise collection, and I'll have all of the supplies listed in the description box below. You'll need to cut some smooth white cardstock to 8.5 by 4.25 inches. Select the Escape 3x4 journaling card and 2 sheets of 6x6 paper from the collection. Cut the blue-pink paper to 5.25 by 4 inches and the green-blue paper to 5 and 3.75 inches, plus score your white cardstock. I don't like to waste paper, so I cut the center out of the blue-pink paper with a 3x4 inch rectangle die. Next, fold the white cardstock on your score line to create a card that is 5.5 inches tall by 4.25 inches wide. Distress the edges of your 2 base papers with a distressing tool or blade. Use 1/8 inch double-sided adhesive to adhere the 2 sheets together, leaving room to dog ear and tear the top layer of paper on the edges and corners. Distress the edges of the journaling card, then adhere it to the card base with foam adhesive. Start layering on the flowers with heavy body gel using an aqua and chartreuse flower from the Harmony set. I also pulled out an older white flower to help support the center of this flower cluster. You won't see it, so this is a good way to use up random flowers you have left over. Use a piece of foam adhesive if you need to level out your flowers. Glue down one of the small louvered door ephemera pieces on top of these flowers. Pull out some of the smaller flowers from the Aloha set as well as some leaf ephemera pieces and add them around the larger flowers under the door. Shape the leaf ephemera with your fingers before tucking them in under the flowers. Curl up the top edge and tuck in a postage stamp ephemera piece. On top of the door, we'll be layering some small flowers and some ephemera, including the blue parrot, blue fern leaf, and some green flowers. Prep the blue fern leaf by curling the leaves with your fingers. Layer the green flowers under the parrot with some foam adhesive to add more dimension to this card. You can see that I like to dry fit all of my pieces before I glue them down. This is when I realize I need to snip off a bit of the stem on the blue fern leaf. Adhere all of your elements down with more heavy body gel and foam adhesive. On some gems from the Say It in Crystal set from the collection. Then glue the card onto the white card base with some dotted adhesive roller. I thought it might be nice to add a sentiment to this card, so I pull out the chipboard stickers from the collection. I carefully pull up the top flower and leaf on the parrot, scrape the heavy body gel off, add the chipboard sticker, then replace the flower and leaf. I hope that you enjoyed this project and tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Until next time, happy crafting!